Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 3 on Android. Since a dedicated Android version of the game is not available, the only way to experience this title on your mobile device is through cloud gaming. This innovative technology allows you to stream the full PC or console version of the game directly to your phone, bypassing the need for powerful local hardware. It's a fantastic solution for gamers on the go. To get started with cloud gaming, you will need a few key essentials. First, a very stable and fast internet connection is paramount, ideally with download speeds of at least 25 megabits per second for optimal performance. Your Android device must also meet the minimum requirements for the cloud gaming app. Finally, connecting a Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for precise and comfortable gameplay, offering a much better experience than touch controls. Setting up your cloud gaming experience is straightforward. First, download the application for your chosen cloud gaming service from the Google Play Store. Next, you will need to create an account and subscribe to one of their available plans, which often vary in price and features. After that, link your existing game library to the service. Remember, you must already own Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 3 on a supported platform to stream it. To ensure the best possible gameplay experience, here are some helpful tips. If you are playing at home, connecting your device to a wired internet connection via an adapter can drastically reduce latency. Within the game, try lowering the graphics settings to a medium or low preset. This can significantly improve streaming fluidity. Always make sure your Android device has at least 50% battery life, or keep it plugged in during your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.